In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage bookmarks in Anytype. If you want to build a clean, searchable library of useful websites inside your workspace, Anytype makes that process simple. Bookmarks are a great way to save articles, tools, references, and resources you want to come back to later, while also keeping everything organized in one place. To get started, open the Anytype application on your device and navigate to the space where you want to save your bookmark. This is important because your bookmark will live inside that selected space, so choosing the right one from the start helps keep your information organized. Once you're there, click the plus button to create a new object. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Control N on Windows or Command N on Mac. This opens a fresh object where you can decide exactly what kind of content you want to create. At the top of the new page, open the Object Type menu and change the type to bookmark. This tells Anytype that you're saving a web link rather than a note, task, or another kind of object. Using the correct type helps Anytype structure the information properly and makes your saved links easier to manage later. Next, paste the website address you want to save into the link field. Make sure the link is complete and accurate, so Anytype can process it correctly. After you paste it in, give it a moment. Anytype will automatically fetch details from the website, including the page title, a short description, and often a preview image. This saves time and makes your bookmarks much more visually recognizable when you're browsing through them later. To make your bookmarks easier to organize, add tags or relations. This is especially useful if you're saving a lot of links across different topics. For example, you might group bookmarks by project, category, or area of interest. Adding this extra structure makes it much easier to sort, filter, and find what you need inside your collections. There's also a faster method you can use when you want to save something quickly. Simply copy a web link and paste it directly onto any open page in Anytype. When you do that, Anytype can instantly create a bookmark for you, which is a convenient option when you're collecting resources on the go. That's all it takes to start building your own organized web library in Anytype. Thanks for watching and enjoy saving, managing, and exploring your bookmarks more efficiently.